Madam. I'm Imelda Galitani. I'm 32 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I'm separated. I have 2 children. I have 2 brother and sister. I'm the first in the family.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Imelda. How are you right now?
I'm fine, sir, Madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
I'm honest, kind, loyal, and responsible.
Okay, so since you're already a mother, can you tell me how to take care of the newborn baby?
Feed them on the right time. Take a bath. Must check first the temperature of the water if it warm. And washing the bottle and sterilize. And I treat him like my own children.
What if he committed mistakes? What to do?
Sir, Madam, I say sorry. I promise I'll never do that again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me. I promise I finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Imelda, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.